Big up, big up, big up to all my subscribers. Thank you for all your subscriptions. I'm here in the kitchen about to make some breakfast, some ackee and saltfish with fried breadfruit. So come along with me. Here I have my oil heated up, my 2 frying pan with my oil, one for the ackee and one for the breadfruit. Alright, and I have some salt water here in this container that I'm gonna dip the breadfruit in. Wish I could also rub a little salt on the breadfruit and just fry it like that, but sometimes I prefer to like put it in the salt water instead of just rubbing the salt on it. Yes. So some ackee and saltfish and breadfruit. This is one of the nicest things you could ever eat in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Ackee and saltfish is our national dish, right? Yes. Ackee and saltfish taste so good. Ackee and saltfish can eat with anything. You can eat it with all rice and stuff, fried dumpling, whatever you choose of your choice. Alright? So these are the breadfruit. I'm gonna put in the pot. The only oil I know of this fat is coconut oil, so I don't know where all this oil comes from, and I'm not using coconut oil. All this fat from the oil, and I'm not using coconut oil. Coconut oil is the only oil I know that fat that much. Yes, but anyhow, we're still gonna fry our breadfruit. I'm gonna multitask. Let's this oil out of this pot. So here I have some seasoning here in the bowl. I have some bell pepper, some onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some dry thyme. I'm going to saute all the seasoning. Saute the seasoning, and then I'm going to pour the saltfish that I have. I have some pick up saltfish here. I already scald out the excess salt from the saltfish. So this is it when I remove the bones from it and I pick it up. I turn on the stove because I don't want my breadfruit to burn. a very busy day. I'm multitasking because I'm doing laundry at the same time the clothes are in the washer. I'm doing so much. I only have one day off for now, but it's a busy season. The busy season where I work, so I have to work like 6 days per week when it comes to this time of the year. Yeah. Alright. So this is it. I'm going to pour the saltfish in. Alright. And this is my ackee. I have fresh ackee that one of my friends bought for me from Jamaica in the freezer, but I choose to use my canned ackee. Our fresh ackee came up from Jamaica. Right? But I'm just going to use my canned ackee. I'm going to cut them. And I'm going to rinse it. Just gonna run some hot water on it. I'm gonna run some hot water. I'm gonna pour it out in the strainer here, and I'm gonna run some hot water over it. Remove the breadfruit, put them on some paper towel to drain out some of the excess oil from it. Now I'm going to pour in my ackee. I'm going to put a little bit more oil. Just a little bit over it. Alright. pour some black pepper. Sprinkle a little black pepper over the ackee and saltfish here. Sorry, the black pepper. Oh. Alright. So that's the ackee and the saltfish. I'm gonna cover it. Cover it a little bit. Turn on the stove. Just let it stay there. Simmer. Spread a little piece more paper to the pan right there. You see? Suck up the oil, so that's why you gotta put it on paper towel to get all the excess oil back from it. Then never hear about fry over dumpling yet. Dumpling that cook, you don't throw it away. You see, you have two fry over dumpling. People call it boil fry. Yes, so here I have it. I'm not gonna throw it out. I'm gonna fry it to go along with my ackee and saltfish and my breadfruit. Yes, I ain't gonna throw it away, my dear. These are precious commodity. I'm telling you, when it fried, tasted so good. It tastes better than when it people boil. I'm telling you, fry over dumpling, you lick your 10 finger, whatever you eat it with, mackerel, egg, whatever you choose to scramble egg and eat it with a boiled fried dumpling. I tell you, the nicest thing. Yeah? You have all 2 pieces of plantain on the side or a slice of pear and thing, whatever you eat it with. Oh my God, you don't want to stop eating. I'm telling you. I didn't went to the farmer's market, so I didn't get any plantain, ripe plantain to buy this week. Obviously, I'm so busy. I will see if I can get there this coming weekend, live spare. To buy some plantain, some ripe plantain. Yeah, man. So never no dumpling them. I talk about the Jamaican them know about this. Other countries and stuff, people who, you know, You cook your dumpling and have to throw it away if you have any leftover. You just rinse it off under the pipe and slice them. You can slice them in 4 pieces or 2, just 2. Yeah, just 2 half. You know, that's it. But you can cut them like this, like how I cut it, and you can also cut it again. So you get 2 slices from 1 half from a whole dumpling. Yeah, from one side of it you get like 2. So if it's 1 dumpling, you can get 4 slices from the 1 dumpling. Yes. Yeah man, boil fry, nice man. As I said before in one of my videos, my aunt, she work at a restaurant, and one of the customer, he normally come there in the morning for his boiled fried dumpling, because at the restaurant they don't throw the dumpling away when it leave over. They fry it and sell it. And the man come to America and ask him for boiled fried dumpling in a restaurant up here, and the people them say, what name so? You know, them I wonder where I talk about. You know, because them only know like fried dumpling, you make your dough and you fry your dumpling, yeah? Yeah. So boiled fried is. Don't throw it out, man. Fry it. And you will all see and taste what I'm talking about. It's really good. I'm telling you. Yeah. Yeah, and throw the dumpling them way, man. You're mad. Fry them, man. Yeah, and throw them at time. Yeah. The breadfruit them, man. Yeah, man. I don't fry it, you know, still have more to that. Breadfruit, fried pretty. Nice golden brown color, don't it? Pretty bad. So these are my boiled fried. Yes. I'm going to go under the finger now, you see? Ackee over here, so. See the ackee and saltfish. That's our national dish. Great ackee and saltfish. It's Jamaican national dish. Yeah. Ackee and saltfish, baby. Yes, guys. So the boiled fry, them almost finished, you know. The boiled fried dumpling. So them almost finished, you know, and thing. I'm about to take them out of the pot here now. You can check on the laundry. Alright. Okay, good to go. Alright, so now I'll take them out of the pot. See them? Don't throw away your dumpling, guys. Boil, fry. See them? Fry them and eat them with anything of your choice. Cook it up. Cook up something and eat with your boiled fry. Don't throw them out. Alright. So I'm gonna dish out some now. So turn off the stove then, because finish with that now. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm finished. So there you have it, guys. My breakfast: ackee and saltfish, fried breadfruit, and boiled fry. So that's the dumpling again that you cook and you leave over. You rinse it off under the water, fresh water, and slice it up, and you can fry it and enjoy with 2 slices of avocado or otherwise pear. All right, so there you have it. Breakfast all done. All right, ackee and saltfish, fried breadfruit, and boiled fried dumpling with avocado. I'm going to dig into this right now. Yeah, now ask you, tastes good. Yeah. All right, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now. Ciao. Peace out.